Okay. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna well, as you can see by the title and this, you're probably wondering, that there's gonna be whatever. I can't explain what I'm saying here, but Thomas and the Magic Wheel is coming out on Blu-ray. Possibly the director's cut. Now everyone has been wanting to see the director's cut. It had P.T. Boomer in it, who was cut from the movie as being too scary for children. So yeah, but he actually wasn't. Like Dieselton was actually more scary than him. So yeah, bye bye. Let's hope we get the director's cut and the Blu-ray. Bye bye.